Hello everyone. Today we are going to run some tests with phase 2 activated material, but mainly what I want to test today and show to you all is what is the difference between having the same amount of active material, the same quantity, in a smaller layer, thicker, or in a more with a more surface area. So what we have here are two plastic molds made from credit cards. On this side we have two pieces glued together. The hole is 10 millimeters by 15 millimeters. The total thickness of these two cards is 1.7 millimeters. On the other side we have only one credit card plastic mold, which has a hole of 10 by 30 millimeters. So literally is the same volume. One has a double thickness, the other one has a double surface. We are going to put the same amount of material in both molds, which will start with 0.2 grams. Will fit in them. We'll have them pre-wet before. I already keep them here. The active material pre-wet, and then we are going to run some tests to see how the performance of the cell will be different, if there is a significant change or doesn't matter that much if you have thickness or surface. Maybe by the end will matter just that if you have a specific amount. As you can see now, I'm already testing a cell where I am actually having two 10 by 15 millimeters mold, but one placed on the cathode, one placed on the anode, with the semi-gel solid polymer electrolyte presented by Robert Murray Smith. The results weren't that bad actually. 8 minutes 52. Just 1 milliwatt hour, 1 milliamp hour. But started at a very high voltage, 2.2 almost, and yeah, I think it ran pretty well. Of course, there are still many tests to do. Okay, I'm going to... Oh, one more thing. On the cathode side, where the active material will be, we'll place as a current collector a piece of graphite, something like this. And on the other side, on the anode side, we'll place a sheet of zinc, a piece of zinc foil. Yeah, as separator we'll use normal paper filter on both sides, and as electrolyte we'll use a magnesium salt solution. Okay, I'll start measuring and I'll be back. Okay, so here we are, our two cells, the thicker one and the bigger area one. I'm going to add a few, probably maximum 2 drops of electrolyte, and then we are going to see what is the initial voltage that the cell has. We are going to discharge it as it is, Then we are going to charge it for 5 minutes. Then we are going to discharge it, and we will do that maximum 3 times. Then we'll draw some conclusions. One drop. Yeah, I think that will be more than enough. Okay, I'll be back after I'll tie them up and prepare them for measurements. Okay, we've plugged the first cell, the first cell being double thickness,